Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the sum of integers. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the sum of integer from number 1 to 100, but we cannot include about this one. The number cannot divide by number 6. So now I want to show you how to answer. To do about this one, we need to find the total sum from number 1 to 100. So we have the formula in here. Now we put number 100 go in here. So this one we have 5050. The next one we can use about arithmetic progression. So we know that we need to find the sum of the numbers they can divide by number 6. So the first term I need to choose that is about number 6. And the difference in here, that is about number 6. So we need to find the last number of near to 100 in here. That is about 96. And we know that from number 6 to 96, we have the formula in here. And that is about number 16. So the last term near to 100, that is about 96 for the terms number 16 in here. So that means we can put a number 16 equals to 96. And now we can apply the formula in here. So the last terms, that is about number 16. So I will choose about n equal to number 16 go in here. So we have a number 1 that is about number 6. This one we have 96. So we calculate these numbers in here, and that is about 816. Now we can use this number minus this number, and we can have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.